Computers and telephones were very different 30 years ago. Listening to music was very different just 10 years ago. Steve Jobs changed the technology we use today. His Apple Computer Company is famous all over the world. Steve Jobs was born on the 24th of February, 1955, in the beautiful city of San Francisco, California, in the USA. In 1960, Steve's family moved to Mountain View, California. He went to school in the town of Cupertino. Today, the headquarters of Apple are here. In 1972, Steve went to Reed College, 1,000 kilometers away in Portland, Oregon. He didn't finish his college course. In 1976, Steve Jobs and his friend Stephen Wozniak built computers in Steve's parents' garage. Their first computer was the Apple I. On the 1st of April, 1976, Jobs, Wozniak, and their friend Ron Wayne started the Apple Computer Company. The Apple Computer Company sold the first Apple I computer for $666.66. In 2012, someone bought an Apple I computer for $374,500. In the 1970s and 80s, more and more people used computers every day, and they wanted computers at home. Young businessmen like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates were very successful. In 1985, Steve Jobs left Apple. He started another computer company called Next Computers. Jobs bought Pixar, a computer animation company, in 1986. In 1995, Pixar made Toy Story. The film was a huge success. In 1996, Steve Jobs returned to Apple. The next 15 years were very busy. In 1998, the colorful iMac computer was born. Then, in 2001, the iPod was born. It changed the music industry. Then, the iPhone was born. It changed how we use our phones. And in 2010, the iPad arrived. It changed computers again. Steve Jobs died on the 5th of October, 2011. He was only 56 years old, but he changed technology forever.